So this is my plug I made for my turn signals. It runs from my turn signal lever down through and around. Like I said, I bought a plug, but it didn't fit on the outside, so I had to ground this case off. And then I just make it fit into this one, which that one was right here in my center dash, is where that was plugged in. And so when you plug this in, looking at it here, top right is passenger side, top left is driver's side turn signal, center is power and power. So top right is blue gray, top left is orange gray. And then, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Probably not, but once you plug it in, then I have turn signals. There you go.